Hey everyone, buying your first home in 2026 is a massive milestone, but the rules of the game have changed. We are officially in the most balanced market we've seen in nearly a decade, which means you actually have leverage. If you know how to use it, you can take advantage of it. Now, today I'm going to give you the top 3 things you need to do to move from renting to owning this year. Now, before we move forward, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the area real estate trends and market activity that's going on. Now, first thing you got to do is you have to get mortgage ready before you even look at a house. In 2026, lenders are looking for more than just your credit score. They are doing deep dives into your consistent cash flow. Now, you need to aim a credit score of 700 or higher to lock in the best rates, which are currently hovering in the low 6% range. Now, most importantly, don't open any new lines of credit, like a new car loan or a furniture credit card, at least 6 months before you apply. Getting a verified pre-approval where an underwriter actually reviews your file is your biggest power move. It tells sellers that you are as good as gold. Now, the second thing you need to do, you need to budget for the hidden reality of buying. A lot of first-time home buyers save up money for the down payment and think they're done. But in today's market, you need to make sure that you're planning for closing costs, which typically run between 2 and 5% of the purchase price. Now, sellers are giving a lot of money towards that, but you're still going to have those costs. Now, here's an example. On a $350,000 home, that's an extra $7,000 to $17,000 you need to have ready at the closing table or negotiate through your deal. Now, the good news, because the market has shifted in favor of buyers, 2026 is the year of the seller concession. You can often negotiate for the seller to pay those closing costs for you in part or full, or even buying down your interest rate. Don't be afraid to ask. Your agent should be fighting for these credits in the offer that they're submitting for you. Finally, stop looking for your forever home and start looking for your wealth starter home. Your first house doesn't need to be perfect, it needs to be strategic. Look for homes with flex spaces for remote work or properties in high growth areas like the far west side or up and down the 35 and I-10 corridor. Focus on things that you can't change, like the neighborhood and the lot, rather than things you can, like the carpet or the paint. Remember, home price growth is projected to stay steady around 2% this year, while rents are finally cooling off. Every month you own, you're building equity instead of paying off your landlord's mortgage. Now, when it comes to buying your home, and it is a marathon, it is not a race. So take your time. If you're ready to start purchasing a home and start guessing on what you need to do, I have a first time buyer toolkit that breaks down every program and grant available in Texas right now. So click on the link in my bio, shoot me a DM with the word home, and let's get you pre approved today.